dears, today I want to show you how we can download Microsoft Office 2021 for free without crack. Just from search for Office Deployment Tool. Select Office Deployment Tool. Good. We get this window. Download. We get our file. Okay. Then showing folder. Pick a folder. Right click. New folder. Name it Microsoft Office 2021. Okay, go to download again. My Office deployment tool. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. Click here to accept it. Continue. Select your folder Office 2021. Okay, let's come back to our folder. You see we have these files. Just select the first three one and delete them. From here, hold shift and right click. You get open PowerShell window here. Click it. Good. Then I have this text. You have to copy this text. I put it in the description of the video. Control copy. Okay. Control V. Enter. We have to wait until the down installation finish it. It's important to me if you give me a feedback in a comment that this video works for you or not. And if you see it's useful, please like the video. We have to wait. Now the installation is finished. Just click close. Let's see. You see we have Word, so Microsoft Word. Okay, everything is working. Also let's see Excel. Yes, that's Excel. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.